My literary element for this first quarter is Polysyndeton. Polysyndeton is super easy to understand. I think you guys will get it right away. And I hope this video kind of helps you understand it just a little bit more and the effects of it specifically. So by definition, polysyndeton is the use of multiple conjunctions frequently or used multiple times in a sentence or phrase. So if that means you use the word and multiple times, you use the word but multiple times, any conjunction applies to this, and as long as it's used frequently, typically considered 3 or more times, maybe even 2 depending on the use, it is considered polysyndeton. So let's move on here to the effects. So polysyndeton is used for many different reasons in writing, especially in literature. It can be used to add drama, to create a dramatic effect. This can be used by all the conjunctions that build up to that last ending of the sentence. So really all those conjunctions are contributing to the rising action, and the climax would be at the end of that sentence. So that's adding drama. That's elongating everything until it can be dragged out no further and you finally reach what you're trying to establish in that sentence. It's often used for listing, obviously, if there are multiple conjunctions separating ideas or things. So it can be used to emphasize each individual item of that list. Instead of stringing them all together, they're basically looked at as a group. But when you use polysyndeton and use those multiple conjunctions, then it separates each of them, emphasizing the individual item. So, an example, emphasizes every individual item. Samantha brought cupcakes and cookies and ice cream and pie to the party. It would be very easy just to say Samantha brought cupcakes, cookies, ice cream, and pie to the party. But that's kind of overarching everything, making it look like, okay, she brought a couple things for dessert. Instead, it's emphasizing that she brought every single one of these things, really adding to the effect of the sentence. This is one that adds drama because by the time you get to the end of the sentence, you want to know what's happening, you want to know the result. So this says, Jacob likes Sammy, but Sammy likes Harrison. But Harrison likes Trisha, but Trisha likes Isaac, but Isaac likes Amanda, but Amanda likes Jacob. By the time you get to the end of that sentence, you just want to know who likes who and if the whole thing rounds out. And so it adds drama and it builds up the intensity until you reach that final part. So, quick way to remember this is poly, obviously the prefix for more than one. Syn sounds like sentence, and deton sounds like conjunction. So, a whole ton of conjunctions in a sentence is polysyndeton. Super easy to remember. Just remember that prefix and remember that syn in a sentence. It'll be super easy to get down. You'll be recognizing it in no time.